this video, we will see how to use generate statement in VHDL. Generate statement is a concurrent statement and is an alternative approach to structural modeling. Like you have seen in structural modeling, we use 2 half adders to create a full adder, and we use 4 full adders for creating a 4-bit parallel adder. So when we use the replicate of a small module to create big module, then then structural modeling is used, and at that place you have to create a module 15 times. So in structural modeling, it will become a bit messy to create a module 15 times. So for that, a generate statement came into the picture. Now we will see how to use it in further slides. And it is useful to replicate the identical statement, like I have already told you, like we have to use half adder 15 times. So at that place we will use generate statement, and it is a type of loop, and it is outside the process statement. So generally the loops are written inside the process statement, but it is a loop, but it is always written outside the process statement, and it provides the compact design for regular structures like registers and counters, so it can be used there also. And there are 2 types of generate statement. First is for loop generate statement, and second is if loop generate statement. So this is the syntax for loop generate statement. Like generate label, this is a user defined data, like you can give your name also here, you can give any name which you want at the place of generate label. And for variable name, the variable name, this is also user defined data, you can give any variable you want. And in range, it is the range of how many times you want to run the loop. And after that, generate keyword, then entity name of generate statement, like of bigger module, and component name. The component name means which component you want to replicate. And after that, port map, and at last we will enter generate label. So now we will see an example. So 50 input or get VHDL code. First of all, we will implement we will include the IEEE library. So after that, we will create an OR get entity or 50 and we will assign 2 inputs of 15-bit vectors, like 49 down to 0, it means it is a 50-bit vector, and output C as a 15-bit vector. And after that, we will end the entity, and after the entity, we know that architecture is, begins. So architecture behavioral of OR15 is, after that we will define the component, like our component is a small OR module. So A and B are input in OR module, and C is an output, and we will end the component. Now we will use this component for creating, we will create this component 15 times. So by using generate statement, like you can see how to create this. To begin, lab1 means label 1, this is user defined data. For n is our variable name. In 49 down to 0 means we want to run the loop 15 times, and after that, generate keyword. OR15 is the name of our generate statement module, and OR1 is the component name. So we will do port mapping, like A is mapped to the A to the AN, and B is mapped to the BN, C is mapped to the CN. And after that, we will end the generate level, and we will end the behavior. So by running this code, you will see that OR get will be used 15 times. So in such cases, we use the generate statement. We will see in next video how to use generate statement by using if condition. So thank you for